One of the greatest ways in order to succeed on YouTube or any other platform is understanding how to organize your own ideas. And this is one of the biggest problems that small content creators have, and they don't fully understand the impact that it has and how to actually do it in order to optimize the content creation game to gain more watch time, more views, and be able to get where they want and achieve their goals. But first, you have to fully understand one of the biggest keys to success in content creation in general. Content creation is not something simple or easy to do. It takes a lot of time and it takes a lot of effort. But to fully be able to upgrade yourself and be a better content creator, you have to understand that ideas are the most important part about making any type of video. And the stronger the idea, the better chance you have of going viral, getting more views, and getting more watch time. Having an organization system or having at least some kind of organization for your ideas is one of the key factors to success, because great ideas doesn't come easy. It takes a lot of practice and a lot of research. So when you try to film a video and you don't actually have any idea in mind on what are you creating and how are you going to create it, your video is going to fail, and it's going to fail big time. You're going to invest a lot of time into making it. You're going to invest a lot of energy into editing the video, scripting the video, creating a thumbnail and a title. So the stronger the foundation for your video, which is the idea, the bigger chance you have in order to actually make it as a content creator. One day I was watching a Colin and Samir podcast, and I was watching an episode about Ryan Trahan. He has a ritual in creating 10 ideas every day, no matter what. Now that's one of the ways in order to create and organize your content ideas. But the problem is not every person can do that. So here is two ways in order to create and organize your content even better. The first one is having a notepad. It created a small habit in me that I wasn't really fully adapting in my own life. Every day I sit down on my desk and start writing down the best ideas that I could think of. And what I mean by writing down, I actually have a notebook and a pen specifically designed and specifically bought for YouTube ideas and for content ideas. And this way is one of the best ways in order to be more organized in content creation. When you have a notebook that is dedicated for you to actually write down the thoughts that you have, write down the content ideas, your ability to remember those content ideas will grow with time, because you're actually writing those ideas and getting your mind clearer of those ideas. Now the second way is create a system using your laptop, your phone, whatever that you have around in order to save and store your content ideas. Now, to tell you the truth, when I first started content creation, I didn't really fully understand that organization of my ideas is one of the key factors to success. One of the key factors in order to create faster and to be able to really save and invest my time and my energy into something bigger and get more views and watch time from those simple ideas. After I finish brainstorming content ideas into my notebook, the first thing that I do is transform those video ideas or select the top best ones in that day, and I use the first method to brainstorm ideas and make my brain even sharper in creating simpler and more understandable ideas. Now, to make it a little bit more complex and actually invest time into creating the thumbnail and title and do a little bit of research for that idea, I transform it into Notion. And this is the launch OS for any video that I try to create for this channel. And after an idea is written down into Notion, I simply do a small research about that idea, the keywords, the thumbnails, the titles, and the intro that I could use in order to make it more engaging for anyone who watches it, and then filter down those ideas into categories. Ideas that I need to work on right now, ideas that I could take time in, and ideas that have a small ROI, and these are in the last of the pack. So I have my priorities straight. I have ideas that needs to be worked on right now, ideas that I could actually spend a little time into creating a story, into creating the perfect thumbnail, and be a little bit more cinematic in the editing phase and in the filming phase. And the third one is actually when I have the free time or I run out of ideas to create right now. Now, organizing your content ideas is simply one of the keys to actually succeed as a content creator. But if you want to really master content creation, I would highly encourage you to watch this video because it could help you a lot in creating better content faster and easier.